Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys in my YouTube channel. In this video guys we are going to talk about guys Facebook notification setting, and today video title is guys how to turn off group notification on Facebook account. Friends, you don't want to use your group notification on your Facebook account, you want to turn off. So friends, now let's see how to turn off Facebook notification one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So first of all guys, we will turn on Facebook application. After turn on Facebook application, you don't want to use friends group notification. Friends, if you tap here, you don't want to use your group notification, you want to turn off group notification on your Facebook account. So how to turn off? First of all guys, we will turn on Facebook setting. After turn on Facebook setting, so friends, you can see this type interface on your Facebook account. Friends, on your Facebook account, personal detail, password, security setting you want to use, so you can use it. Friends, you can see notification, navigation bar setting you want to use, so you can use. So notification setting, friends, first of all you can use comment notification. Tag notification you don't want to use on your ID, so you can turn off your tag notification. So friends, you can use reminder notification, friend request notification, birthday notification. Friends, you can see you don't want to use birthday notification. If you tap here, so friends, you can say turn off option, right tap here, birthday notification will off and you cannot receive any friend birthday notification on your Facebook ID. So friends, we will talk about group notification setting. If you tap here, so friends, you can see group notification. These are notification about your activity in group you have joined. For an example, friends, you can suppose he is your friend Harsh, and Harsh posted in hanging out. So you don't want to use group notification. You have group, you have joined any group, and someone of the group, friends, you can say for example Harsh posted in hanging out. So you don't want to use notification, so you can turn off. And now friends, you cannot use group notification on Facebook account. So friends, you can see notification is off, email and SMS notification will off, you cannot use. And you want to use, so you can on from here. Again you want to on, so you can turn on. So like that friends, we can use group notification setting on Facebook account. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. When out you have any problem on your Facebook, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching the video guys.